Hey YouTube, welcome back. Just completed draining this RV water tank, and it's time to flush it. Let me give you a quick summary on what I did on part 1. Isolate your water tank by turning the valve clockwise, and also the one below. There you go. Open the valve just like that. Let's go with socket. We'll insert this endoscope or borescope. Let's do this. Got the water source turned on and attach the tank rinser. Get it from under. There we go. Turn it on. Alright, I've been flushing it for maybe 10 minutes. That is clean enough for me. Let this bad boy drain. Take that off. Good to go. I just want to show you how powerful this thing is. Let me turn on the valve. Take a look. That's a 25 feet reach. Pretty powerful. Time to use the Borescope one more time. Let's take a look inside. Get yourself a thread seal tape. Insert it. Tighten it up. That's good enough. Next, make sure that this valve is in a closed position. And inside your RV, make sure that you open up both valves. Go ahead and put this in the open position, counterclockwise. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Really appreciate it. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now.